Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to find the object reference in Articulate Storyline 360. In Storyline 360, each object has a unique object ID. These IDs allow developers to interact with elements such as buttons, shapes, or text boxes using JavaScript. The first method is to directly copy from the slide. Right-click on the object you want to use, and then click Copy. The object ID is now copied to your clipboard. The second method is to use the JavaScript editor. Open the JavaScript editor and then click the Object Reference dropdown. Select the object you want to control and click Add. By doing this, the reference ID will be added to your JavaScript editor. Let's now look how you can apply this into action. For instance, let's look at current example using the reference ID copied. You can rotate and move the object using JavaScript. In this case, you can click on the tab and the corresponding content will appear when the object, mobile, rotates. In this way, with help of the object reference, you can create different effects. Remember, advanced transformations require external JavaScript libraries and aren't supported natively by Storyline. And there you have it. You have now learned how to find and use object references in Storyline 360. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.